We'll guide you through how to download and install ChatGPT. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. ChatGPT is made by OpenAI and it's a really useful AI tool. It's got so many different things you can do with it, and having it on your computer makes it super easy to go and access, as you don't then have to go to the site every time. You can easily get to it from your desktop. So to get started, we need to open up the App Store on our computer. Click on search at the bottom and you can go and type in Microsoft Store. Now what you need to do is go to the top and tap on search and go and type in ChatGPT like so. Here it is, just here. You can go and click on it. Then what you need to do is come over to the left here and you can go and click on Get, and it's going to go and start downloading. It shouldn't take long at all. It's now gone and downloaded and installed, and we can press open. If you've got an account, you can log in. If you need to create one, press sign up. I'm going to quickly log in now. So here we are. We've got this really useful shortcut we can use, which is Alt and Space. You can enable this if you wish. I'll press not now. And so now you can start using ChatGPT. You can start asking questions and going and using the different tools at the bottom. You can open up the sidebar as well. If you found this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video.